In this video we're going to be looking at factorising again. Now you can see we've got 2x squared minus x minus 10. So it's in the form of, like we've seen before, a x squared plus bx plus c. Now the difference between this question and other questions is that, one, we have no common factors, and we've got a term in front of the a, in front of the x. We've got an a term there too. So we need to find out how we're going to factorise this. Now there's a couple ways we can do it. Alright, we can get, like factorising, we get the factors. We've got 2 and 1. Now we've got factors of 10. We've got minus 10 and 1, minus 1 and 10, minus 2 and 5, minus 5 and 2. Okay, and we want to get one here with a term. We want to get a sum of minus 1. So we've got to mix and match, play a little bit of, just see where we're going, trial and error type thing. So if we look at 1 times, got minus 5, go 1 times minus 5, that's minus 5 plus 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. So we're looking at the 2 has to be times by the 2, and the x has to be times by the 5. Okay, so what we're going to be looking at is something we're going to get an answer of 2x take 5 x plus 2. Okay, because the x gets times by the minus 5 here, and the 2x gets times by the 2. And if we expand that, we get an answer. Now that's very tricky, okay, working out, getting all the factors. So I'm going to show you, it's what's called splitting the x term. So what we do is we get the a and the c. So we get a and c. Times that together and we get minus 20. We look at all the factors of minus 20. And we've got minus 1, minus 120, minus 21, minus 2, 10, minus 10, 2. We've got minus 4, 5, minus 5, 4. Now we look at which one of these has a sum of minus 1. And we've got minus 5 and we've got 4. Okay, so that's what we want. Those two integers have a sum of minus 1. Minus 5 plus 4 is 1. So what we do is we write this. We go 2x squared plus 4x minus 5x minus 10. Alright, now what we do here, now knowing where to put the 4x and the 5x can be a bit tricky, but what you're doing is looking for common factors. It's a little bit of common sense that obviously the 2 has to go with the 4, and we've got the minus 5x and the 10. The reason why, because we're going to be factorising each of those ones. I'll just put in the brackets, and if we factorise that, we look for a common factor. We've got 2x there, so 2x, and so we're left with x plus 2. And the next one, we look for a common factor, and we've got minus 5. So a common factor, let me just get rid of that bracket because I need to take the common factor out first. We got is minus 5, and we're left with x plus 2. And you'll see here now, I'll just scroll up a bit. You'll see here we've got another common factor of x plus 2. So our common factor is x plus 2, and we're left with 2x minus 5. And you'll see same answers, okay? Same answers. So it works. The number splitting is a much easier method. Yes, it's a bit longer, but it's easier because we can we can see what we're doing. We're taking out common factors, we're going through, where this method up here is a bit of trial and error. The next video will do another example.